Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be doing an unboxing, so let's get into it. First up will be this box. Cloth&Paper, well-known company. I've decided to finally test them out. Honestly, in my opinion, I feel they're a little bit overhyped. They had something I wanted, so therefore I ordered. So starting off, I got the CP Petite card holders. I got two just to test it out. It's okay. And then I'm just gonna take the rest out of the box. This is quite a large box for this order. A bubble mailer could do that, but that's okay. And then I got the 1-inch desert tortoise disc. So they are beautiful. They are very pretty. I do think I ordered the wrong size. They have kind of they're plastic and they have kind of like a Swedish kind of feel to them. Nothing will go to waste. I will find a use for it regardless, but I do think I ordered the wrong size, and I think I should have ordered the 1.25 size. To give you an example, this is more the size I wanted. This is, I think, a 32mm, and I think that's like a 1.25, and this is obviously 1 inch, which is like 24mm. So in comparisons, very, very small. It's a couple of millimeters on the edge, but you know what? I will find use for it, so I won't worry about that too much. That's one. Then I got the CP Petite fluted dashboard. I did say I want to try a new size, and one of the sizes I wanted to try was A6. A6 size, so let's see all that. And then obviously theirs come with like a plastic on the side, and then you just clip it into your binders. I'll let you know if that works out. That's one. And then I'm gonna go, and then the next size that I got was mini HP fluted dashboard, which looks like that. Which looks like that. Same thing on the side, nice and bendy. And then I just need to take off the film that's on it, the protective film. So mini HP CP Petite card holder disc. That's what I got from Cloth&Paper. And then this is the freebie that they offered with a nice vellum. So cute. Next up is BareBonesCollective. When I saw she released this type of binder, you know I had to get it. It's going to replace this binder. Well, I'm not really using that binder. I think it's holding dashboards and extras, but I'll find use for this one. And then that's her logo on there. Very cute. Ooh, got some goodies in here. So starting off, just check what she has. And she also has a vellum envelope. Very cute card. And then she got an extra little card here, a 3x4. A goal without a budget is just a wish. That is true. And then a very cute little mini savings here. I think that's cute. And then free paper clips. Ooh, you know, I love me a good accessory. Couldn't really see it. Oh, I got the little dollar one, the little money one. That's a nice. Oh, I like how she did that. That is very nice. Very cute. Let's see what the other one is. I think. Oh, that is cute. A little cherry. So I got the dollar and then I got the cherry. Very cute. You know I'm going to use that because I'm a sucker for a good charm. And then of course the main event. Ooh, soft. It's very soft. Am I the only one that likes to smell leather? I absolutely love the smell of leather. I love the black popper. And then it's black inside with pebble green inside with her logo. So I really like that. There's no back pocket on this, which is okay with me. I don't always have to have a back pocket. I don't normally use it anyway. Although I do like how it makes the binder feel. I am still okay with this. This is very nice. I really like this. I think I might use this for my 2K challenge. Might have to change up the deco just a little bit because my 2K challenge is more of a black and white. I'll see how it looks in this, and then we'll probably set it up on camera for fun in a minute. But let's get into my next unboxing. This package comes from all the way in Germany from a company called BudgetNeeds. I just discovered her like 2 weeks ago, and I loved one of the binders she had, so I had to get that. So far I'm basically collecting binders. Oh, that is so cute. I love how she did the setup with the little bow. That is really cute. And it has her name on it, BudgetNeeds. Really like that. This can be used as a deco card. We got a thank you card. Love a good paper clip. And then I can use this also as a deco card. And that one says, be your own muse, which I always will be, of course. Who would I be if I wasn't? I always look to myself for inspiration. Okay, and that's that one. I got a pen. Oh, that's a good pen. Nice and heavy. Oh, that's a good pen. Nice and heavy. And that is the name of her shop. You gotta check her out. Ooh, like the bag is really cute. I really like this. I'll definitely be using this. This is a good quality bag. Ooh, child, that is my style. Definitely my style. I love this. This is a little bit different than what everybody else does. It's a different setup here instead of the normal snap closure. I love that. A company that sells one like this called 𝕃𝕚𝕕𝕘𝕐𝕥. Hers is a little different. I think this part is at the bottom and then it slopes up like that. I chose BudgetNeeds because of the way the inside was. And 𝕃𝕚𝕕𝕘𝕐𝕥 has a zip on the back, which I don't like. So I went with this company's binder instead. And it has a magnetic snap closure, which I really like that. It's very cute. Ooh, that is nice. What am I gonna use it? I might use this as my finance binder. Honestly, this is cute. Nice, no back pocket, of course. I like you got your secretarial one here. You got 3 pockets here, a zip, and then some nice large pockets here in the back, and then the ring protector. The only downfall with this is it doesn't have a pen loop, but you know, in a way, I always tend to grab a pen out of my drawer, I'll be honest with you. But I'm sure if you really wanted to, you can tuck a pen in here somewhere to use it when you're ready. You could probably put it like here in a corner or something. Somehow or the other, you can use it. So I really like this. Oh, it is soft, feels good. Has a nice little zip here. Kind of tight, but we can do something with it. Still have space to put a charm on there if I need to. And black 30mm rings. So that is perfect. So my products was this, BareBonesCollective, some stuff from Cloth&Paper. A very, very small haul, but a happy haul. I'm very happy with my purchases and I will find good use of them. Enjoy my mini haul and check out the shops. I will link the products and the shops in the description below so you can check out these two companies for yourself because they have some nice stuff in stock. Check them out. See you guys. Bye.